Dr. Heckler, do you use humor in the classroom?
I use some, mainly cartoons.
How do you think this teaching strategy affects your students?
Well, I teach mainly linguistics, as you know, and many students are afraid of it, and I think it breaks up what we are doing and helps students relax. And also, I use it as a way to introduce topics, whether students are aware of it or not. But I think it's nice for a pause or an introduction.
Do you think it's important that other teachers use humor in the classroom?
Well, I teach about how we learn language, and this is true of anything that I think humor, if it's the right kind and not maybe negative or something like that, can make people relax. And if you relax, you learn better, hopefully. And I think, I'm sorry, I just think it's good because we know based on brain research that even if you're really dedicated as a student, you need breaks maybe every, I think, I was reading a book, I think every 10 minutes, even the most dedicated students really need a break. But I don't give cartoons every 10 minutes, but...
You mentioned about negative humor, that there's negative...
Well, what I was thinking is, I hope I don't use that, but some humor, for example, could offend ethnicity, racial, gender, that kind of thing, and we get into obscenities and that kind of thing, and that wouldn't probably be appropriate. That, or religious sensibilities in some cases. I don't know if you remember they had a cartoon about Islam, and that was very offensive, if you remember the Muslim. So, good, clean humor, if we put it that way. Because there is the negative, racist, that kind of thing. And that's not what I assume you mean, where it can offend different people.